5.7 million views.
Wow, good, not great. That's the population of Colorado.
Is that the Broncos one?
It is.
Oh.
The question is, how much money have you made?
Let's see, third quarter take.
Factor in overhead.
Of course, overhead.
Projections.
Apples to apples.
Figure net profit.
Got it. Nothing.
The question was rhetorical, you idiots. Haha, sorry about the idiots thing. But what you need to do is monetize.
Monetize! Monetize!
Manuel. Wait, what are we talking about?
Perhaps you are familiar with the greatest viral video of all time, monkey smells finger and falls out of tree.
No, I've never seen. That monkey! The monkey! He smelled his finger! Then boom! Smell.
That monkey and that monkey's estate made $0.